This video will show you how to dissolve Trauer Type 1 Atelocollagen sponge. It demonstrates the standard dissolution operating procedure. First, prepare the following materials: 50 mg Type 1 collagen sponge, 25 ml of 0.01 mol per liter HCl solution, electronic balance, graduated cylinder, pipeter, and homogenizer. Step 1. Weighing. Accurately weigh 50 mg of collagen sponge with an electronic balance and transfer it into a clean container. Step 2. Add solvent. Measure 25 ml of 0.01 mol per liter HCl solution and transfer it into the container. The target concentration is 2 mg per milliliter. Step 3. Homogenization. Set the rotation speed to 5000 RPM and homogenize for 2 minutes, until the solution becomes uniform and homogeneous. Then let it stand for 5 minutes. Dissolution is completed. Please follow the standard operating procedure to ensure accurate experimental results. Thank you for watching.